Tiene mucho hot, tiene mucho tempo, tiene mucho down, woman del Callao. Tiene mucho.
The sounds of Latin rhythms echoed through the Bishop Charles Gachet R.C. primary school as students participated in a unique musical experience. On May 8th, the school's music group benefited from a one-day masterclass facilitated by the Venezuelan musical quartet El Fortillo Caracas. El Fortillo Caracas, formed within Venezuela's national system of youth and children's orchestras, specializes in traditional Venezuelan and Latin music. Beyond performances, the group provides musical training to young people across Venezuela and in countries with strong diplomatic ties to their homeland. At the brief opening ceremony, Executive Director of the Cultural Development Foundation, Ramona Henry Wynn, explained why they chose to support this initiative at the Bishop Charles Gachet R.C. School.
For us as the CDF, it is our mandate to ensure that we create platforms for creatives to thrive and to grow. And with everything we do, we try to do development programs that would allow you to do just that.
Venezuelan Ambassador to St. Lucia, Her Excellency Life Escalona, expressed gratitude for the collaboration.
It's not only in St. Lucia, I think in the entire Caribbean countries. It's a wonderful example for all of us. And I think we can do more and more with this exchange with El Sistema, Prime Minister. We have different plans, we have a different experience, and I know the talent is already here. You can hear them, not only in this school, in the entire island. It's a wonderful talent that you have here. And I wanted to say, enjoy the masterclass, enjoy the music of our musicians, and thank you very much again for this wonderful experience.
No stranger to the musical prowess of the Bishop Charles Gachet R.C. primary school, Prime Minister Honorable Philip J. Pierre had front row seats at their latest musical showcase.
Music is part of how children get reoriented. There was a Prime Minister called Tom Adams. He was a mathematician and a musician. And he became a lawyer just because of the skills that he learned from music and mathematics. There's a correlation between mathematics and music. And people who know tell you that sometimes good musicians are also good mathematicians.
During his brief remarks, the Prime Minister pledged to make a monetary contribution to strengthen the school's music program.
So I want to pledge to the orchestra, I want to pledge to Mr. to come to me, and I will make a meaningful contribution to the orchestra.
The masterclass coincides with the hosting of the St. Lucia Jazz and Arts Festival, creating a perfect opportunity for cultural exchange and artistic development.